G'day viewers. Well, I got this fridge to repair for a mate of mine at work. I gave it a bit of a clean up and I put some Hychill in there. It's an R600A unit, Hychill Minus 30, which is a blend of propane and isobutane, which is your camping gas and your barbecue gas blended together. The Hychill is just a more pure form of propane and butane, and the smell's different too. But yeah, it's all compatible. You're always compatible. R600A systems and R135A systems are compatible. Perfect drop-in for Hychill. For R12 systems, you gotta change the compressor oil. I might have to that old pie fridge over there, that old pipe fridge I mean. That's low on the refrigerant, that one. Might get some parts one day and suck it down and evacuate it and do a leak test, which I don't think it's got leaks. It's been repaired before. I reckon the guy regassed it years ago. I don't know what he was doing there, but yeah, it doesn't have enough charge in it. I'm going to convert that fridge there with a Redbull compressor to minus 30. Hychill convert it. Yeah, this Waco has been pretty good actually. Hasn't missed a beat. I'm quite happy with how it has worked out. It's been a good repair. The bloke has some pretty grouse, as I said before in the last video. He has a grouse off-grid setup. It's got those Winston yellow Life PO4 cells running his off-grid cabin. He's got another set as portable jumper packs and runs his fridge when he goes camping. Yes, we did leak test this. We sucked it down, vacuumed it down nice and hard. After about just talking, left it for an hour. It seemed to have held its full vacuum, so this thing must just have a slow leak in it originally. It does have steel pipes, not copper pipes inside here, as the evaporator and the condenser, which is nowadays is a big no-no. The Chinese love doing that with their fridges, and they pit and they get pinholes in them. This is all made in Denmark. This isn't the Chinese heap of crap either. This is actually all made in Denmark. The compressor is made by Danfoss in Slovakia. It's about 20 bucks I'll put into this. Just a Schrader valve and a bit of Hychill, that's it. It's working alright so far. I'm going to let it run for a week or so, see how well it behaves. That's working quite well so far, but where the actual original leak was, if friggin' why it would have lost its charge, you leak somewhere, and I definitely suspect it's going to be inside the evaporator inside here. The problem with this modern shit, you can't actually take the soil off without destroying it to change the coils. It's stupid. These you can. Same with the angles. You can take the top off, the plastic comes apart, and the angle's got the plastic insert that slides out, and you can lift out the evaporator through a gap here, a slot, and the condenser it all covers and slides out. Designed like these antique fridges, where you have the hole at the back, the pipe work slides straight into the cabinet without opening the system up. And that's how the angles in these Wacos are constructed. It's really good like that. But the newer Chinese stuff, not so much. They just drill holes, put the pipes through and solder them in place. Not service friendly. It's a stupid way to make fridges. This is built that same technique. Built to be thrown away, not to be serviced. This is up high too. The thermostat's up high. It was kind of fun, charged it up. Felt for cold, didn't have any cold coming back out to the compressor. Yep, that's enough. And away we went. There's supposed to be shelves and stuff in there. Yeah, this probably would have came from Woolworths or some other shopping centre. The property of Redbull once upon a time. Then it stopped working, and that's probably why I got rid of it. When it stopped calling, I said, no, we're not going to fix it, I'm going to throw it in the bin. And yeah, the contractor who removed it would have took it home, and yeah, he would have unsold it. Which is definitely better than throwing it in the bloody bin, that's for sure. I would have took it home myself too. But yeah, it's Your mate uses it for his man cave, for his beers. I mean, who wouldn't want that, something like that in their man cave? That's cool. As I said, it's not Chinese made, this one, it's actually made in Denmark. I've actually seen the streets and all the Coca-Cola, Amatil and the Asahi beverages fridges, all made in bloody China. Even the compressor unit, it all slides in, and it's a separate unit, it's all made in China now, so. The bloke I repaired this with and got parts for this with, that bloke, yeah, he despises Chinese stuff as much as I do. Anyway, it's good to meet like-minded people. But I'm going to hopefully save a bit of coin in the future and buy me some Hychill Minus 30 and a good vacuum pump and a gauge set. And just yeah, gas up some old fridges, little things I might even... I've got a bloody compressor there anyway, I haven't opened to air. Which was an R1348 compressor. Where did I put it? That one there, the Danfoss compressor. That's actually a decent model too, so that's all hasn't been exposed to air. That was an R1348 compressor. I came out of a scrap fridge from a previous workplace. I want to make a little system of that in it, I reckon. A little fridge project. I might get some copper pipes and just make my own coil and evaporator unit and see how I go. Since minus 30's a hydrocarbon refrigerant, which is just propane butane, it's anyone can use it without a license, so hell, why not? I do like refrigeration, it's kind of interesting, but I don't like the bullshit you got to go through and the constant crap you got to go through to keep your ticket to be a proper qualified fridgie. I don't necessarily agree with the idiots that run a system like that. Anyway, for a hobbyist slash sparky, yeah, pretty cool little skill to have, I reckon. Yeah, it's cycled off. I think it's just cycled off. Alright, the compressor's running. Yeah, it's cycled back on. Cool. I'll try and look at this, see if I can get this going. Let's get some water, right? Get this coffee machine going. There's a good score off the side of the road. It's a commercial one, another domestic one. Try and get this all out. You gotta unplug these. I'm gonna get this tank out to clean it. We'll clean all this out and put some water in it, see what it does. Try it. Pressure, look at our pressure, temperature. Sensor works, heating up. Look at the book, see what this means. No, better not. If those blades stay, it's going to burn. System. It can't suck. It's not sucking the water up. Check the blockages, I reckon. Let's see if there's any no damage to the hose. The hose looks fine to me. Yeah, that looks perfectly fine. Oh, I'll put my mouth on it and blow. Sucking much at all, is it? Not sucking much at all. I'll investigate the pump by the looks of it. I'll have to investigate the pump. Manually, if that does anything. Yeah. No. Might have to tear this thing down. Must be a blockage or a cracked hose. She's not sucking the water up. Oh well. Let's take this machine apart and have a look. I'll pull it apart further. Pretty well made. Yeah, 265 psi. That blows out. Safety valve in there for steam release. That's your steamer for your milk frother. Stainless steel boiler tank. The pump must be underneath there somewhere. We're going to investigate that. If that pump's all what's wrong with it, this will be pretty easy to fix. Okay, the oil's well, got a bit wet. We've got a pump of water now. Clean out this little cup bit. This thing ends up turning out to be fine. I'm going to clean this thing right up. Get the replacement cup thing for that. And it's probably good to go. The heating element's working, it's putting up pressure. Yeah, it's getting hot. Oh yeah! Oops. More water for the boiler. This is clean water too. I don't want to get any crap inside it and block the hell of it and just introduce contaminants in there. It's just only going to block up all this sort of stuff. Yep, we're getting pressure. Not much though, I have to wait for it to heat up. Now it's boiling. It's getting hot. Might run some vinegar and descaler through this. You can get a chemical that's made for coffee machines. Might do that. If this can turn out to be fine, I'm going to run some descaler and coffee machine cleaner through it. Get it really clean before I start using it and get the replacement thing for the cup there. Hychill M21 Junior. I think Comcator. I'm not sure if they do. It's a commercial machine, so you can get parts for it. So yeah, why not? It's good for the home. Seems to be working right so far. I knocked a bit of ventilation off there and I was blowing it off. That doesn't matter. It's just got to turn on and off more often than when it should because it's losing heat. Yeah, pressure's going up. There, it'll be 120 psi. 8.8 bar, pretty sure. If it floats, not getting any water, that light will come on, and it did, but that's working. Which is that sensor. You have to have that sensor, which puts electrical current resistance through the water, across the water to detect there's water in there. If that's not working, it's not going to do anything. These buttons work absolutely fine too. Membrane switches can be expensive. I'm going to clear this thing inside now, I think. Hey, you got pressure. Oh, it's dropped like a bag of shit. Yeah, that's too much pressure out. That's your cup guard. You can take all these off. All this stuff screws off, so I'm going to clean all this up. Yep, they're getting hot. Nice! Now, it's supposed to go just toward the red, I think. That's ready. Whoa, I know when they cut my hand open. Wow! I didn't even feel that till I got water in it. How the hell did I do that? What did I touch there? Crap! That's one thing you're going to be aware of with machines like this. Any stainless steel appliances. Watch your bloody sharp edges. I don't even know I cut myself till I got wet. Holy hell, did I just cut myself on there? What the hell? Shit. How did I do that? It might have been in there actually when I was cleaning at the gauge glass. I ran my finger in there through the rag. I didn't even feel it. Wow. Lethal. The plug's just down there. Whoops. Out of water. Didn't even know I cut myself. Holy crap. Oh well, turn it off. Cool, it works. Nice. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.